welcome to discussion about NDA entrance examination. Obviously, we are discussing this as a career in defense services after 10th standard, or that is called as SSC examination. So, if your goal is to join this type of defense services after 10th standard, what you have to do, that we are going to discuss here. So, the first thing that you should join, as far as possible, join science stream. The thing is that when you are talking about this defense services, you have to join National Defense Academy, that is NDA. For that purpose, science stream is essential if you want to join particularly Navy or Air Force. But if you want to join Army, then you can go to arts or commerce stream also. So my advice is that if you are not having hate towards science, then try to go to science stream. That is useful for defense services. But if you are having that hate towards science, then select arts or commerce. But thing is that then you will not able to go to this naval side or air force side. So you will get only army chance, that is there. So this is the first important thing after 10th standard you have to do, that is selection of proper stream according to the requirement. Now the second important thing, that whatever you are joining, science, commerce or arts, but essentially you have to take mathematics. As well as if you are joining out science stream, then take a plain course, that is physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics. Don't go for that composite or something like electronics, IT and all that. That will eliminate biology, because biology is essential for examination point of view. And so that two important things, if you are joining towards science side, then take plain course, that is physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics. If you are not joining science side, then where you are there in arts or commerce stream, take mathematics as your subject. Now, why this is so? So now I am explaining the structure of this NDA examination. It is National Defense Academy. For that purpose, you have to join after 12th standard. For graduation purpose, you are joining this NDA. For that purpose, there is entrance examination, which is consisting of 3 stages. Prior to that, let me clarify, this examination is only for boys. Girls are not supposed to attend this examination. So the first important thing, that structure I am explaining. The first thing, that is written examination, or that is called as theory examination, which is conducted by UPSC, that is Union Public Service Commission. If you are getting selected in this theory examination, then we have to go across a part that is called as SSB interview. And if you are selected there, then the third stage is there, that is called as medical examination. But what is the recommendation here? That no doubt these stages are there, but prior to study of this examination, first carry out your own medical test from reputed doctor in this field. That you have to search where you are staying, at that town or city or wherever the place. You have to find out the doctor, those who are carrying out this medical test for defense services, and then carry out that all checkup. So first advice is that go for your own medical entrance medical test first, and then prepare for this entrance test. Because the thing is that if you are clearing out the first stage, that is written examination, the second stage, that is SSB interview, and then if you are not able to qualify in medical test, then simply they will not select you. And therefore it is recommendation that prior to preparation, first carry out medical test through proper army doctor, and then if that person says yes, then you continue your preparation for this examination. Now, what is the nature of this examination? So, the first thing, that theory paper, that is divided into two parts, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is consisting of mathematics only, 300 mark mathematics. Paper 2 is consisting of general study inclusive of 200 marks English. So paper 1 we are going to discuss now. Paper 1 carries 300 marks, which is only for mathematics. You can consider that mathematics of standard 11th plus standard 12th plus little bit higher mathematics is there. For detail, go through the site, that is upsc.gov.in. There you will get the syllabus, whereas in market various books are available. So purchase any proper book from the publication and find out the chapters. They are there for mathematics. So 300 marks mathematics. Say paper 1 or paper 2, whatever the paper, only objective style paper is there. That is multiple choice question. So nothing to write down, only we have to make circle dark, that is option A, B, C, D out of that. But the thing is that mathematics is a bit critical because your score in mathematics is important. Those who are joining out science stream, they or even if you are good in mathematics, they can score maximum marks in mathematics part. Whereas paper 2 is of 600 marks. Out of that 200 mark English, and in 400 marks physics, chemistry, biology, history, national freedom struggle, economics, political science, environmental science and current affairs. So like that all subjects are included in that paper 2, that is of 400 marks. Whereas for this total is 400 marks general study plus 200 mark English, combiningly we have to go for 600 marks paper 2. Now English is essential. Those who are studying out throughout in English medium, that is from nursery or playgroup onwards, you are there in English medium only. For these students, this English paper is not much difficult. But those who are from vernacular medium, that means other than English medium, then English paper you have to make practice of that. Certain things, for example, spotting of error, we have to find out grammatical mistakes, subject verb agreement, and like that things we have to carry out in that. Then certain vocabulary like synonyms and all that, that is also asked. Then short passages and long passages, that is comprehension type questions, that is also asked. And then it's of 200 marks. And then onwards we have to go for this physics, chemistry, biology, that is of 11th and 12th standard level. If you are there in science stream, then automatically these all topics are getting covered. But at that time you have to make preparation of environmental science, history, geography, national freedom struggle, political science and all that. Like that, those subjects are not there in science stream, you have to study. If you are there in art stream and you are having this subject, some of them, history, geography, like that, then it's all right. But remaining you have to prepare. Now, how to prepare for theory examination? For that purpose, first option, that is we have this channel either on UPSC Guru or on Savarkar IAS Study Circle. You will get the essential video lectures for paper 2 general study. You will get that. For paper 1 you have to join some of the personal coaching or private coaching, whatever that. But we are not providing any coaching for paper 1, that is mathematics. Then we have to prepare for mathematics in detail because your score in that 300 marks is important. Other than that, your score in 600 marks, that is also important. Totally they are calculating your score in out of 900. They will set a cutoff, and after that cutoff, those who are eligible, they are called for SSB interview. Now, how to prepare for this uh, written examination? First option I have given that you can observe our channel, either Savarkar IAS Study Circle or UPSC Guru, and prepare for it. Another option is that we have coaching center in Mumbai, that is at Shivaji Park. I'm just giving address, that is Savarkar IAS Study Circle, स्वातंत्र्यवीर सावरकर राष्ट्रीय स्मारक, स्वातंत्र्यवीर सावरकर मार्ग, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज पार्क, दादर वेस्ट, मुंबई 400028. So on this address, or I'm giving you here phone number also, that is 922-184-9650. You can call about the details of this center. Video lectures on this channel, they are free of cost, but center is not free of cost. Then if you are getting selected in theory examination, that means you are passing out that cutoff, crossing out that cutoff, then there is SSB interview. It is not something like that half an hour or 1 hour interviews there. You have to stay there for 5 days. Various tasks you have to get accomplished over there. Out of that, physical test, that means some they are giving you some task. Out of 15 tasks, you have to finish out 10 tasks, like that. Then psychometric analysis, your leadership qualities will get justified over there. Obedience, how other people are relying on you, and all that things are measured, and ultimately there is interview, that is personal interview. And then out of that, whatever your score is there, they are going to add out. So SSB interview is of 900 mark, and that test, written test of 900 mark. Out of 1800 mark, your score determines. But not only this score, other than that, you have to, if you have to join Navy or Air Force, then your score in 12th standard examination is also considered. Aggregate more than 50% mark is required, and in PCMB 70% plus marks are required. So for that purpose, just find out norms on upsc.gov.in. But for army purpose, your score is only sufficient here, that is in theory plus SSB interview. Those who are getting selected for that, then we have to go for this medical test, and after that they will allow you to join NDA, that is National Defense Academy. You will get graduation exam, graduation carried out over that NDA, and after that you have to again appear for CDS examination. Those who are getting selected, they are appointed as officer. So your actual service in defense, that begins with like officer, and that's why these examinations are important. So if you have clear-cut determination that I want to join defense services as an officer, then start preparation for NDA after 10th standard. Now certain important things you can do along with that. Prefer joining NCC along with your college study. It is, we can say, one of the essential or boost character. It is not that you are not joining NCC, then they are not going to select you. No. But it is additional qualification that you are there in NCC. When you are joining out NCC, try to attend maximum camps in that. If you are not there in NCC, then also try to go for trekking with reputed organization. That is important. And while going for trekking, don't give your answer something that in some Sahyadri mountain we went there. No, we have to give the name of place. What is the altitude, what is the characteristic, flora, fauna, whatever you are able to study out, that keep your data. It is not that just I completed the target and returned back. No, what is the characteristic, what is the purpose, why that place was selected, like that you have to make note. So all these things are important. they are obviously from side study. So this is the we can do after 10th standard. Obviously, if you are having that determination, then start preparation from right now. This is about ND.